Hello everyone, welcome to EduSaksham. In our day-to-day life, we come across various shapes like triangle having 3 sides, quadrilateral having 4 sides, and many more. But one of the most interesting shape which does not have any side is circle. Let us discuss more about circles. What is a circle? We take a point and draw a fixed distance from it and mark another point at the end of it. Now we will repeat the same at slightly different direction. The same process is repeated again and again and we will get multiple points. Let us join these points. What do we get? We get a shape that is a circle which can be defined as a simple closed curve in which the set of all points are equidistant from another point, and that point is called center or origin of a circle, and distance from center of circle to any point on the circle is called radius of circle. Straight line joining 2 points on a circle passing through the center is diameter of the circle. If you observe more carefully, diameter is in fact twice of radius. If we start from a point on the circle and move along the circle in such a way that we end on the starting point itself, this distance is the circumference of this circle. So, if we run along the boundary of a circular park, we are actually covering its circumference. To understand circumference, we first need to understand pi. Pi is actually a Greek letter which is used to represent a constant value, and that constant value is the ratio of distance around the circle to the distance across the circle. We know that the distance around the circle is circumference of the circle and distance across the circle is the diameter of the circle. Let's understand the relation of pi with respect to circumference. Draw a circle and its diameter. Take a thread equal to the length of diameter and put it on boundary of circle. Then again repeat the same process with another thread. After repeating this for the third, we can see almost all of its circumference is covered, leaving only small portion. So here 3 times diameter is approximately equal to circumference. Ratio of circumference to diameter is approximately 3. Now, question arises. Is it true for every circle? Let's check this on different circle. Now repeat the same procedure. This is showing the same result, that 3 times diameter is approximately equal to circumference. Pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter, and we have seen this ratio to be approximately equal to 3. But since it is approximate, the value of pi is 3.14285714 and so on, and the fractional value is 22/7. So what do we get here? We got circumference as a product of pi and diameter. As we know, diameter is 2 times of radius. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Here we got this very important and useful formula related to circle. There is another important term related to circle like circumference, that is area. Now let's see what area is. In a circle, the inner region within the circle represents its area. In simpler terms, area of circle is the region enclosed by the circle. Now, let's explore the formula for area of circle. Take a point A on circle. On joining OA, what do we get? We get OA as radius represented by R. Cover the half part of circle with orange colored sectors and remaining half part with blue colored sectors of same dimensions, and we are doing this intentionally. Consider one sector. If we divide it further, we will get smaller sectors, and the base of each sector can be considered to be approximately a straight line. So we can consider this sector to be a triangle. Now align orange triangles in a straight line and put blue triangles upside down such that it fits into the gap made by triangles. Here we see that one blue triangle is left out. If we divide this triangle in two equal parts and bring them at both the ends, the entire shape comes out to be a rectangle. We know rectangle is a shape having length and breadth, and the area of rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. Here, length of the rectangle formed is half of the circumference and breadth is the radius of the given circle. As we have seen here, this rectangle is formed by triangles inside the circle. Therefore, area of circle equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is half of circumference and breadth is radius of given circle. So we get area of circle as half times 2 pi r multiplied by radius. It turns out to be pi r square. So area of circle is pi r square. Thank you.